All right, I got to put new batteries in my lights here and this light right here. And this one here, I think you just pull it out. Yeah, like that. Comes right out of there. Bam, done. And now I can just go ahead and break it down and do it. This one's pretty easy. I just unscrew it like that. Set this thing over here. And then check this out. This is how they're in there. I had these Amazon batteries, but apparently they're burning out on me. So I need 3 of them for this thing. Like that. Take those 3, we'll set them over here. All right, so if you look, there's little springs. So your negative side goes on the spring end, positive side up. So we got to take the negative side, push it there. And the next one is like backwards. See? And then I got one more. And I just got to get it in there like that. Bam, done. And these are AAA batteries. See that? All right, now I got to get it back in there the right way. I'm thinking it goes this way. If it doesn't work this way, then we'll have to switch it around. Put it in, grab my thing. I'm just going to screw it on. Just like that. Bam, done. And then I press the button in the back here. And let's see if it works. Ooh. Apparently, I fixed it. All right, this one's ready to go. I can put it back. So I just take this over here. And I drop this thing right through that little hole right there. See that? Get it through there. I just kind of push it through. Bam, that's ready to go. There's the light, it's working. So that's cool. That one's in there. Now I gotta change these. So these are a little bit different. I gotta unscrew this cap here. And basically it's the exact same thing, but I just gotta get it to unscrew, like if I can turn it. So anyway, I gotta twist this bad boy. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm going lefty loosey. Pop it, and then I just gotta pull this out. Just remember that that thing's on the top, so this side's gonna go in first. Set her down, and we're gonna change it. Okay, so we just gotta remember we gotta put this end in, and this end will be on the top. I think it even tells you. So again, we gotta get these out of there. These are all Amazon ones that I bought. But I went and got the, went to Costco. I got these. We got to remember, this is the negative side, so you got to put that like that, right? So the negative side is here. That's the negative side right there with the spring. Stick it in. Bam. Got one more, same thing. Bam. So now it's ready to go in. Now we got to slide it in this way and then put the cap on and screw it down. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Here we go, let's do it. All right, so anyway, this has a ridge right here, and I believe that this has a ridge right here. So this has to go in like this, with that ridge down. I've got to try to get it right on that. There we go. Bam, got it in. All right, so we figured that out. Right now, let's get our cap on. It's kind of tough to get in here because it's, you know, there we go. Oops. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Am I getting on there? Nope, shit. I gotta figure this out. I got it. Just gotta tighten it. Well, let's see if it works. Not working. Damn it. What the hell's going on here? All right, so I just had to tighten this down a little bit. That's working now. There, see? Bam, done. Fixed. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to do it. There we go. Bam. Same thing. Pull this out. See if you can see it. There it is, see it? And remember, that goes up. All right, let's see. Okay, here they are. All right, let's get these out of here. These must have been the ones that came with it. All right, so these take 3. Got the Duracells. Remember, negative on the bottom, negative on the bottom. And look at my fingers, they're all covered in the frickin' stuff from the chain. Gotta wash them. All right, let's go do it. I think I get a good view of it. So this is gonna go this way. I just gotta get it in there. It's tough to get my fingers in here, but it should fit if I get it right. So anyway, if I feel for it, there's a little groove there. And that groove has to go right here on this. Right here. And this goes down. So if I get it in there like that. Oh, there we go. See, it slides right in. And then I can get on this side. I can get this this cap on. And this is tricky too, because this has to be tight. It's kind of tricky doing it while it's on the freaking bike. It's easier when I did it before you gotta get it perfectly threaded, otherwise it doesn't work. There we go, done. Let's check it out. Cross your fingers. Yep, working. Good. All right, we're good. All right, we just changed the batteries on all of our lights on our bike. Now we can go for a ride. Oh, almost drove into the wall.